Hello everyone, welcome to Roadmap for IAS. So this is my video regarding unboxing my Byju's tablet which I have received for the IAS program. So let's get started. So basically Byju's offers three kind of tablets which we can opt for. One of them is the Samsung Galaxy A tablet and the other variant is the Lenovo 10-inch or 8-inch Lenovo M tablet. So I have opted for the Samsung 10-inch Galaxy A tablet. Recently in the Amazon sale, it was being sold for around 14,000 rupees. But Byju's has charged me 15,000 rupees for this tablet. But as you know that I have got the course in a scholarship of 90%. So I only had to pay the additional charges of the tablet. Otherwise, I had to pay only 10% of the charges for the IAS course. So this is the tablet. I'm just unboxing it for you. So it came via personal courier because the person who came with the courier was also having a Byju's bag. So since I stay in Bangalore, so this is a local delivery. So maybe that's why they got it delivered by via local means. So this is the tablet in which they have written the courses available. Class 4 to 12, JEE, NEET, IAS, CAT, and everything is given by Byju's. So let's unbox this box. And as you can see, it is well packed inside and the Samsung Galaxy A tablet is visible. So let me take it out and read out the specs for you. So as it reads out, it is a 32 GB Wi-Fi with 64-bit octa-core processor and 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera. And as they say that Dolby Atmos sound effect is very good in this tablet. So I have read the reviews on the net also, and the sound is really nice because it has a stereo speaker, not a mono speaker. So let's unbox and have a look inside. So this is the tablet. So the box was already open because they have customized the tablet and locked it so that we can open only the Byju's app in it till the course expires, when the tablet will be unlocked by them. That's why the cover was not there. And in the box we have a adapter as well as a cable and a pin, a SIM ejector pin, and some documentation. So this is the cable and this is an adapter. So let's put the box aside and have a look at the tablet itself. So I'm just switching it on, and you can see Samsung Galaxy Tab A. So this is the most expensive variant of the tablet which is offered by Byju's. So let's boot it up. So as you can see, the tablet is booted up and only the Byju's app is visible on the home screen. It will take some time to load. So yeah, the Byju's app is only visible on the Byju's premium app is only visible on the home screen. Nothing else is visible. So let me switch it, open that app. So it is the Byju's premium app. So you can see all the subjects are there: polity, history, economy, every subject is there. So the videos are there. So they claim that the videos size is 550 hours plus videos. So all subjects history includes ancient, medieval as well as modern, and art and culture also is included in the history. But as you can see, this is the profile, but we have the option of contact them if I have some technical issues, but I cannot open anything else on this tablet. So this tablet is locked for now. So that's all for the unboxing of the tablet. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this channel because I will be uploading more videos for the UPSC aspirants, which will be beneficial for everyone who is thinking of giving the UPSC examination. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead.